So we're about to put the fog lamps on. We took this clip off right here. We put this clip off, and then this whole thing is on the top. We took 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 clips out of this. So here we go. We're gonna take this bumper off, then we can install the fog lamps. Now we open up these 4 bolts, 10mm bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them are there. Just make sure everything is getting released. Now there are some screws underneath the car. So 1, we got 2, we got 3, 4, 5, 6 screws right here. So you gotta put all these 6 screws in there too, and then this whole bumper will come off. Yep. The bumper is released, guys. There were these 2 clips. One is for the sensor, and the other one right here is for the front camera. So you have to push and release them. Very simple clips. And on the sides were these clip pins too. One goes here, and these clips on the side, this slides right in here. That's it. You just have to release the whole bumper, and then time to put these fog lamps on. Stay tuned. On the back side are these clips. These are just popping clips. So all you have to do is press it down, and then push it. That's it. You have to do all of them. There's a bottom here. There's another one. There's another one. You just do that, and it'll pop just like that one. They just pop right back. Right here. This is how you're gonna pop up. So we're gonna do the wiring now. Here, I took this headlight connector off, and I tested it. That few of the wires, the easy way is to have this pen tester. Go in there and put your full flash on, and then test everything. I found that this one right here is the one that is the 4 flasher one. So I'm gonna connect this one with the flasher, the turn signal, and then on the other side the purple and the black one, like you can test it everything, right? That one is the power cord. So on that side, because the connector is right there, this one right here, so I'm gonna connect it on that side. But everything else, the only wire we're gonna connect is here, this one, the turn signal one, for these fog lamps. Jeez, look at that, that looks sick. So this is how I did the wiring. I connected, this one is the ground, the black one is the high beam, this purple one right here is the low beam, this one, and this green and white, I don't know if you can see, let me clear it up. Yeah, this one right here is the turn signal. So I put these 4 here. Now I'm gonna connect them all the way here, and this is the main power source. It's got 3 ones. This one is the low beam, this is the this is the low beam, this is the high beam, and this is the ground. And then for this side is the turn signal, and on the other side is exactly the same. So let's see how it works. So the wiring is completed. I put this one here, this one, that. Make sure you tape it or put like a heat sink on it. Same on this side. I put the heat shrink. There we go. Heat shrinks are always better, like they can put anywhere on the wire, make it kind of like waterproofed. Everything is good with this car now. Let's put it back. So this is how we put it back. Oh, let's do the turn signal. This is the high beam. It goes blue on the high beam. And when we does the forward flash, both flashes come on. That's how it comes on. Thanks for watching, guys. If you need any help, let me know. Alright, thank you.